In today's world, the manufacturing industry is increasingly competitive. A data-centric approach, enabled by Industry 4.0 technologies, is key for operations to maximize effectiveness and minimize costs. Successful cases have achieved up to 80% throughput gain, 40% labor productivity savings, and 25% cost of quality reduction. However, digitalization projects often risk becoming too complex, costly, and hard to scale. AUK Industries offers an end-to-end industrial IoT system, powered by both hardware enablers and software analytics. Like a Fitbit for machines, the Edge IoT device tracks the steps, the heart rate, and the sleep patterns of production equipment. Each universal plug-and-play node can be easily installed within minutes, making agile plant-wide deployment an exciting new possibility. Together, the IoT nodes form a long-range independent mesh to stream data real-time to a single gateway, serving each site. This robust and efficient architecture provides wide area coverage, avoids costly infrastructure, and strengthens data security by eliminating large attack surface from numerous devices connecting to an IT network directly. Most importantly, the Edge IoT data is processed, aggregated, and visualized by the Ops Analytics software, which is built on best practices employed by world-class organizations across different industries, such as Toyota Motor, General Electric, and top consulting firms like McKinsey & Company. Beyond standard machine metrics, such as overall equipment effectiveness, production cycle time, utilization, process parameters, and defect rate, the powerful patented analytics engine maps out the entire system-level flow and dependencies in order to autonomously identify bottlenecks and prioritize top improvement levers for the entire plant. The platform creates a single source of truth, enabling collaborative digital performance management across the entire organization for operator, supervisors, engineers, and managers. Above all, we've built a lasting system that is future-proof. Industry-standard APIs allow integration with other softwares, such as ERP, MES, and BI visualization platforms, in order to leverage on an extended ecosystem. Be ahead of the digitalization curve and transform your operations today with AUK Industries. For more information, visit us at www.auk.industries.